can tell you this. I had hours and hours and days and weeks and months trying to set these things up. This one right here can go fast. This one right here can go slow. But when you're playing rock, who cares? I'm not playing metal. I don't care. You see these little joints over here? You try to get them as straight as possible, because if they're not straight, they kink. And when they kink, they get slop in these little things. So you can hold it and see, look. See that slop? Slop, slop. Slap, 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 slap. All that slap means you ain't hitting on time. It's one of those things you just hate about this deal kind of setup. So proper setup is bouncy as crap, as good as you can. Bounce, 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 bounce. Yes, that's right. If it bounces, it's good. Next, do not put oil on it. You put oil on it, it'll get oil all over you. Anyways, you deal with it. You turn around, you try to get as much slop out as you can. You try to raise these up if you need to, so it's about the same height. So that way it feels the same. Then you turn around and you get this as bouncy as you can, I guess. Yeah! Yeah! And do the best you can on the other side. At least try. Maybe I should call the help desk. Anyone around here know Chinese? Iron Cobra? I think it's more like an iron curtain. Jeez. This still hasn't even hit the bass drum. Oh my gosh. You know what that means. Time to put it back. Back where you go. You see how it's staggered? Look. You see the stagger? Oh, the stagger. Bat, stagger.